Napkin AI is a completely free AI tool that can convert data into professional and high quality infographics. And we can clearly see that it will become a paid tool in the future. So, before that happens, I will highly recommend you to try this tool because it can easily do the work of an intermediate level graphic designer within few seconds. Now, let's see how to use it. You can use the link given in this video's description to use Napkin. You will need to create an account here by clicking on sign in. Click on sign in with Google and then select the Gmail ID with which you want to create an account. Once you sign in, you will see a blank page with the option to create a napkin. I have used this tool in the past, so I can see one of my old projects here. I will click on new napkin and we have two options: draft with AI, which means we can use AI to create our data, or blank napkin where we can manually enter our data. I will select blank napkin because I have some data ready with me. You can give a title to this napkin. Now simply copy paste your data on this page. There is no spacing, so I will quickly adjust it. After entering the data, hover over it and you will see this lightning like symbol. Click on it and the AI will start making your infographic. You can see that our infographic is ready, but maybe we need it in a different form. So you can see some different types of infographics here. You can hover on them, see a preview and then click on the ones that you like. Even after selecting, you will be able to see some variations of that same format. I like this one, so I will select it. You can now click on the infographic and change its color, border color and style. You can also add a border and there are multiple shapes available. And finally, you can download it by clicking here. You can see we can download it in three different formats: PNG, SVG and PDF. You can change the color mode to light or dark. You can turn the background on or off, and you can also increase the resolution of the infographic. Finally, click on download, select location, click save and you can see that our infographic is downloaded. It has good looking colors, icons, text, and you can use these infographics in videos to present data or even in blog articles or social media posts, and it is definitely better than the level of a beginner graphic designer, considering the fact that it did not take even a minute to create. We still have some extra options like Spark Search that you can use to search random icons or shapes and add to your infographic. You can see we have added a cat here. Then you can click label, place your mouse where you want to add a label and type it out. For example, David's house, and we again have some editing options. Click on this sketch icon and you can sketch random objects on our design. And we also have the option to upload an image here, either by uploading or drag and drop or by copy paste. Let us try one more infographic to see the other forms of graphs available. I will copy paste the data and click on the lightning symbol. This is not exactly what we need, so let us explore some options, and you can see that this is such a unique way of representing our data. Instead of always using a bar graph, this format will really look good in a video while representing some data. Overall, you can see that this AI tool is really good at what it does. It is completely free right now and it is currently undergoing further developments, which means it will get better and better over time, and it can also become paid in the future. So you can definitely start using it right now and create amazing infographics to represent your data. If you want to know about another amazing AI tool that can convert text prompts into videos, then you can check this video right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.